Hello everyone, welcome back to Beer Magic. Today I'll share another recipe of healthy breakfast. It's avocado on toast. It's simple yet nutritious. So let's get started. Here I have taken a cup of avocado, 2 cloves chopped garlic, a teaspoon of mixed herbs, half chopped onion, cilantro, a teaspoon of lemon juice, salt and pepper. And for toast, I have taken a slice of brown bread and a teaspoon of butter. Next we have to mash avocado. This one is not that ripe, so I am mashing it in blender. But if your avocado is properly ripe, then mash it with a fork. Once it's done, then mix everything together like onion, cilantro, garlic, lemon juice, salt and pepper and mixed herbs, and then give it a good mix. Once the mixture is ready, let's toast the bread. For that, heat up a pan, spread butter on both sides of the bread and toast it. While I am toasting the bread, you go and check if you have subscribed to Beer Magic. If you are new to our channel, please press the subscribe button. Then spread the mixture on the toast generously. And guess what? Our avocado on toast is ready. Isn't it simple? I have served it with a boiled egg and some cherry tomatoes. Finally, I have sprinkled some seasoning and olive oil. So my healthy breakfast is ready. What about yours? Give it a try and let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. So for such exciting recipes, press the bell icon and get notifications of our next video. Till then, be healthy and take care. Bye.